Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to episode 2 of Beginner versus Intermediate versus Pro Lego Builders. I'm Icarus Slopebrick. Let's meet our contestants. Elijah Headlight-Brick, Jonan Slopebrick, and Isaac Macaroni. This episode's category is Order 66. These builders will have an hour and a half to build their best. Let's let them take a look at the Lego mountain and familiarize themselves with all the parts that they'll be using. Alright, contestants, begin building in 3, 2, 1, go! Your timer starts now. You have 90 minutes. "30 minutes elapsed. You have 1 hour remaining." You've been building for an hour. You have 30 minutes left. "15 minutes left." 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time's up. Show us what you've got.
Alright, this is my depiction of Anakin killing younglings. I may or may not have gone a bit overboard on the gore on this guy. I put it looks a little bit like a TV, but right here is a chalkboard. I put little sticks here. I don't know, I guess I imagine that they'd practice sparring, since they don't actually have lightsabers. At least I assume they don't. Oh, and the camera that I guess Obi-Wan must have found the footage on. But yeah.
Alright, so this is the Battle of Mustafar, where Anakin fights Obi-Wan. There's a big platform on top. Here's a kind of a landing pad thing over here. There's a lava river underneath. From the landing pad, there's a platform that goes back underneath, and you can come around, go up this ladder onto the main platform. There's also another ladder that comes down this way, and there's a passage in the back. Then I added a whole bunch of stuff for oil transport. There's a really large pipe here that runs up this way. Up at the top here, there's a pipe that runs back down to another pipe.
There's also a branch off here, which turns into this pipe that runs up here into this firing box right underneath there. That goes into this pipe, which comes up here, goes through the transfer device, and goes up through here, back into this larger pipe. And there's also smaller tanks right here. From this tank, there's a pipe that goes down to the landing pad.
And then there are girder supports back here.
I think that's it. Alright, this is my build. I know I had a little bit of trouble there at the end because when I build within a time limit, I build pretty fragile. So it kind of exploded there at the end. But I did manage to build all that I wanted to. This is on Kashyyyk when the clone troopers attempt to take out Yoda. He's up here with his Wookiee friends, and you can see, what's his name, Gree, and the other clone coming up to take him out. And then I also did a Wookiee Ornithopter. The design is pretty similar to one of the old sets that they did. 2 more Wookiees on there, a nice wooden design. This platform has a railing all the way around all of the minifigs and a canopy above that. And then you can imagine that this path just disappears back into the tree with all the foliage. One thing that probably I spent the most time on is these Technic parts underneath incorporate a function, because if you take it and put it up on one of my shelves, it just slides right on, and it's really good for display because it hangs over similar to the way the actual platform hangs over the battle, I guess. So I think that's it.
Alright, that's the end of this video. We had a fun time and built some pretty cool stuff.
Yeah, really enjoyed being able to have all of Isaac's different Legos to choose from. Could build pretty much anything I wanted to.
And I think that's about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in episode 3. Keep a lookout for that.